Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark said a new tax now put on nothing for this fiscal year. The government said them put aside $700 million for help poor people like how things are raised up. The Jamaican Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, said the killing of people who in the business community are threatening economic growth and development. Charlie Edwards, who was the one-time coach for the national senior women football team, said he hope the Reggae Girls can make the back-to-back FIFA World Cup finals. Now for the full tour of them. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark said a new tax now put on nothing for this fiscal year. Dr. Clark opened the 2022-2023 budget debate in the House of Representatives, and him said the government no put on no new tax cause them no want for pressure people pocket. Him said this is the 7th fiscal year where the government no raise tax and the 5th year where them no put out no new tax. On top of that, Dr. Clark said the government are going to focus on for grow the economy. The government said them put aside $700 million for help poor people like how things are raised up. As according to Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, them are going to spend $200 million this month for help people who no depend the program for advancement through health and education part program. Them are going to find the family them through the Ministry of Labour, Jamaica Red Cross, Food for the Poor, the Adventist Relief Association, and some other non-government players. Dr. Clark said the people them are going to get $10,000 for buy food. The Jamaican Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, said the killing of people who in the business community are threatening economic growth and development. The JMEA said the government need to deal with the country crime problem quick. This come after the killing of Nadine Kelly Reid Friday, who did run UL Manufacturing Limited. The JMEA said they need more police for them in the business area them and some change for make in the justice system. The St. Catherine South Police said them a focus on the gated community them where them think criminals are hide out in. As according to Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, who run the division, the criminal them who involved in a lot of scamming are move coming at the parish. But him said the police come up with some ways for deal with them criminals here. Him said the gated community them not safe and the police now go make criminals take over them community here. Gunman shot and kill one man yesterday morning at yard in a racecourse Clarendon. The dead man at 32 years old Sandre Sharia. As according to the police report, people hear gunshot about Mr. Sharia yard sometime after 1. After that, them find him body outside him back door. Now for sports. Charlie Edwards, who was the one-time coach for the national senior women football team, said he hope the Reggae Girls can make back-to-back FIFA World Cup finals. The Reggae Girls did make history when they be the first team from the Caribbean for qualify for the World Cup were kept in France in 2019. Right now, Jamaica the second in a Group C for the CONCACAF qualifiers with the same 6 points as the Dominican Republic who will lead the group. Dominican Republic will lead the group on goal difference because them score the most goal. People, remember the curfew from 12 a.m. in the morning to 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.